Oh, it's Christmas Eve and you decided to make cookies and you need colored sugar, but you're not able to find it. Or maybe it's a snowstorm and you can't get out. So I'm going to show you how to make colored sugar. It's very easy. So you just take a little plastic bag like this. So you can even use the snack size bags. And you simply drop in the colors you want. So I'm going to make a red sugar here. So I'm just going to pour in. I meant to do 3, but 4 went in. That's all right. So you just do a drop of sugar. You close your bag and start massaging it in. Now, if you're not happy with the color, you just add a little more sugar. I'm sorry. If you're not happy with the color, guess what? You just add a little more dye. So I did 8 drops of this. And then I want actually 5 drops of the blue. Maybe 6 because I want a dark purple. Okay. Purple. I'm very happy with this purple. What do you think? Is that pretty or what? All right. So for the last one, I'm going to make green. All right, so I'm going to leave these here. I'm going to open all of them up to let them dry. And so now I'm ready to do my Christmas cookies. Yay! All right, so thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.